Pool Payday uses skills for its real money competitions and payouts, so a currency display that looks wrong can be tied to your account, region, or payment setup, rather than the pool game itself. Pool Payday currently advertises cash prizes through skills, with PayPal, Apple Pay, and other payment options depending on availability. App Store 1 on. By the end, you'll know what to check when Pool Payday shows the wrong currency, why changing your phone's region may not fix it, and when you need to contact skills support instead. First, check whether you're looking at a cash balance, a tournament entry amount, or a payout option. Pool Payday has both free matches and cash matches, and the real money features are handled through skills. Portal games. 2. If the wrong currency appears only when you're trying to withdraw, check the payment account you're using. For example, if you're withdrawing through PayPal, open PayPal and check which currencies are available in your account. PayPal supports multiple currencies and lets you add currencies or change your primary currency from its payment method settings. Next, check your region. Pool Payday's cash competitions are not available everywhere. The App Store listing specifically says, cash tournaments are restricted in certain regions, while free play can still be available where cash competitions are disabled. App Store 1. That matters because a regional restriction is different from a display problem. If the app is showing a currency or cash feature that doesn't match your location, changing the currency symbol manually may not solve the underlying account restriction. Also check that you're signed into the same Pool Payday and skills account you normally use. Reinstalling the app or switching devices can make it easy to end up checking a different account, especially if you use more than one login method. If the currency is still wrong, don't deposit additional money just to test it. Take a screenshot showing the incorrect currency, note the account you're signed into, and contact skills support through the account or game support options. Pool Payday is listed as a skills-powered game, so account-level cash and competition issues can require skills assistance. Portal games. So, the 3 things to check are your Pool Payday or skills account, your payout account, such as PayPal, and your region. If those are correct but the currency is still displayed incorrectly, send support a screenshot instead of repeatedly changing device settings. Try those checks first, then reopen Pool Payday, and verify the currency before entering another cash competition. If this fixed the wrong currency display, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.